10 districts. That's why I came Puttaparthi now. Prapanchalla, my party, number one party. That's why I came here to improve the membership in Andhra Pradesh. So our workers are doing hard work in Andhra Pradesh. So TDP also, our alliance party is here. But BJP membership have to go forward. That's why I came here. I and Mr. MP, Mr. Dr. Sudhakar Garu, our party president, is there. So our intention to improve the party membership, become world number one democratic party in the world. Thank you. CM will resign because Siddaramaiah has done mistake. 14 sites. He taken 14 sites and his follower taken thousands of sites. More than 3,000 to 4,000 crores scandal. Already High Court have given the instruction and Janapratinidhi Court also given instruction. Now ED also entered. Now he is telling I am giving back to 14 sites. Means he is accepted. I made a mistake. That's why BJP all over Karnataka we are protesting against the Congress government. This is the worst government never seen in the Karnataka history. Corrupt government. Every minister doing the corruption, collecting the money to high command. That is the happening in Karnataka. That's why we ask the resignation of Mr. CM. Already one wicket gone. One minister already in the scandal. Valmiki scandal. Valmiki Abhiruddhi Nigama scandal. And now we are CM also will go. Another 15-20 days CM will also resign. This is the all over Karnataka we are protesting against.